Hello, we're from Team Zero Agro West. Currently, there is a lot of mismanagement of agro waste by farmers in Thailand due to various reasons. First is that they lack the long-term management knowledge of which way is the most beneficial in both economic and environmental terms to manage and add value onto that waste product. This leads to the unsustainable of farm businesses. As a consequence, those agro waste are being dumped up into field and burned to eliminate it, creating a high pollutant and deteriorated soil in the long term. Technically speaking, the method of burning plays the top rank in waste management method, with the reasons of the easiness, fastness, and the lowest cost of management. As we also worked on understanding more reasons and the root cause behind the burning method apart from the convenience and cost to be able to eliminate the harmful agro waste management method. Our team conducted a survey to find more existing solutions of farmers towards agro waste management, as well as what they think about different methods. The first survey was conducted through a Facebook group targeting corn farms where almost 60 participants came and shared the agro waste management idea together. From these 56 surveys, our target aims to focus on the corn farmers whose ages are between 35 to 60-year-old and live in the northern and northeastern parts of Thailand. As for the insights from the participating farmers, the statistics shows that the plowing method has the highest rates of over 50%, which is a good sign not to burn. However, the second rank of waste management come with the burning method of 25.9%. The third and fourth ranks are selling to the business, such as a ranch and the electric supplier companies, as significantly as we assumed. And here are the insights and the reason for selections of farmers towards different methods. A lot of root causes are discovered from the survey. We learned that plowing method is particularly on trend for corn farmers as it gives a lot of benefits such as creating fertilizers, reducing fungi in the soils, helping farmers to save costs by not using the chemical fertilizers, and following the guideline of environmental rules. However, with this plowing method, there comes a geographic limitation where some areas are not capable for the tractor to access due to the deep slopeness. This links to the last method, which is the burning, to clear the field for the next round. There is also one unsolvable problem for farmers, as to not burn but choosing another method instead, like converting the fertilizers or waiting this agro waste to ferment itself, which this it strongly takes time and high cost to manage it properly. As for the method of trading to local and large businesses like ranches and electric supplier companies, only a few farmers of over 20% chose to conduct this method. They gave the reason that selling could generate income to the farm, and surprisingly, these agro-waste products are highly demanded by the factories. However, this trading method is not that well known among all farmers, but only popular in the northern part of Thailand due to the diverse buyers and well-promoted campaign. Therefore, we have conducted into more reasons and found out that most farmers still lack the knowledge and connection of businesses to sell their products to, and finally end up with burning as a convenience and quick turnover rates for the next crop season play big effects. With all the insights from the surveys, we have introduced a solution to overcome the pain points of the corn farmers. We aim to be an intermediate platform for farmers and business to match the agro-waste products with the buyer demands based on the criteria of selling products and buyers. Moving on to the features, our platform will provide a full product databases of each agro-waste product which are well collected from farmers. The buyers could easily find the products through the searching and filtering system. As the next step, the matching system algorithm will match the product that meets the buyer's criteria. And later, the buyers and sellers will be asked to create the appointment and conduct other shipping process offered by sellers. And here is the interface of our application. Starting with the homepage, it showcases all the products in categories with different criteria. We also use the algorithm to recognize the buyer's background such as the location, skills of purchase, and purpose of use as to suggest the products to be easily found. Next is the searching and filtering feature. This helps the buyer to personalize the wanted product as well as gaining the best deals from all. And next is the matching features. After searching for the products, all the products that meet the buyer's criteria will be ranked to be matched. The buyers will pick the products wanted, and soon the appointment will be created so that the sellers may prepare for the products beforehand. Our platform has various aspects of value proposition. First, with farmers or agro waste product sellers, helping them to convert the agro waste that are no longer used in farms to money is the main incentive. In addition, it also creates a healthier lifestyle for farmers from not burning and creating pollution. But most importantly, waste eliminating costs will be deducted as we provide a full service of clearing the field. For the businesses or the agro waste product buyers, helping them to find the most fit-in product that meets the criteria also help boost the industrial production, as the survey indicates that the buying is unlimited if the products achieve the requirements. Being another tool for the businesses to gather all the high-quality products from all parts of Thailand will help them to reduce time but serve the convenience. And lastly, is the government. As a zero burn and zero waste are being promoted, our platform will play a big part to incentivize the farmer to comply with the campaign without burning to serve their own personal conveniences. Additionally, this will totally change the infrastructure of waste management in the long run.
So for our target, initially we'll be targeting farmers that grow corn as the primary or secondary crops. Our ideal targets are small to big farms throughout Thailand with an appropriate channel of discarding agricultural waste and ends up burning. It can either be from lack of knowledge on management or lack of channel to sell or discard. We plan to expand our target to other crops based on the demands of the buyers in the future, such as sugarcanes and tamarins. For our target buyers or businesses, we target small local to big companies that have purpose for corn's waste products like corn husk or corn cobs. Examples of such businesses and companies are the energy companies, power plants, fertilizer factories, and electric suppliers. Others are ranches or small animal farms, because corn husk and cobs can be used as a natural animal feeders. Also, lastly, the government sectors that target and work on the zero pollution and zero agricultural waste movement is also our potential target.
Next, we'll be talking about the market shares. So since our product operates like a middleman to connect farmers to buyers, we will be in both the market for farmers and buyers. Starting out with the farmer or the agricultural market, specifically the corn, since we're targeting the corn first. So the Thailand corn market is estimated to be around $130 million. And from our survey, we estimated that around 25.9% of the farmers are mismanaging their waste, which result in $33.7 million, which is our SAM. And our product are expected to penetrate 5% of the market, which give us our SAM, which are around $1.7 million. And moving on to the buyer's market, the global waste recovery market is around $55.1 billion, and I estimated that Thailand to be around 0.05%, which is around $27.5 million. And our market penetration will be the same at 5%, which result in $1,777,000.
And for our revenue model, will be based on an annual subscription model, in which we will be collecting 1,200 baht from small local companies and 6,500 baht annually for big corporates. We'll be also taking a 10% commission per ton of agricultural waste purchased from the buyers.
So moving on to the financial analysis, as you can see from the line chart, we will be in a negative for the first and the second year, and we will eventually break even on the third year. For our costs, we include the programmer, the developer cost, application maintenance, rent, employment, and utilities. For employment, in the first 2 years, we are looking to employ about 10 people and are looking to increase to 15 in our third year. For our revenue, in the first year, we are projecting 500 local company and 10 big company to join our subscriptions. And the number of the company will double every year, which will result in 8,000 small local businesses and 160 big companies joining us in our fifth year. So the overall financials, we are looking at a net loss of around 2 million Thai baht on our first year, 780,000 in the second, and like I said, we'll be breaking even on the third year with a surplus profit of 2.4 million. And finally, on the fifth year, we are looking to make around 7.6 million Thai baht.
So in the near future, we may shape ourselves into a social enterprise, helping and encouraging farmers and farming communities around Thailand to correctly manage their agricultural waste products and help reduce pollution emitted from burning of crops. We may also create a CSR campaigns for corporations to take part in. For example, campaigns to reduce PM 2.5, a raging problem in Thailand as of now currently. Examples might be educating farmers on the causes and effects of burning crops, as well as showing them the better alternatives towards discarding their agricultural waste, like giving them lists and contacts and possible channels on which they can sell their products to and the businesses that are willing to purchase them. We also thought of expanding our service to other farmers who produce crops like sugar canes, tamarines, pineapples, mangoes, etc., with the goal in mind of being a complete two-way market between farmers and businesses on agricultural waste products. And if possible, we may plan to expand and implement our model to neighboring countries like Laos, Myanmar, and Cambodia that have agricultural as their main way of life too.
So now it's time to meet our lovely team members, starting off with our CEO, Pitiyaporn, me, Nutchanon the CFO, and Sorawit our CMO. Thank you.